I'm jumping on here to talk to you a little bit about spring. That is spring cleaning. Hey, I don't know if you saw it, but I actually sent this out to a few people and I also posted it on my Facebook page. It's spring cleaning bingo. And this is going to help you for the next 30 days get those items that you need to do to just take a load off and just really enjoy spring. So let me share with you a few of the items. Now I've started, I'll fess up, have hired some of these items done, which you can too, but you can do them all yourself no matter what. But you can dust and clean your mirrors, deep clean your fridge and cabinets, clean your windows. Oh my goodness, some of these on here that I have to do, which are big ones, is clean the garage and take inventory of my clothes. But as I do it, I'm going to mark them off and I am going to get a blackout. How about you? This is going to be fun. So as you get your items marked off, let me know. Send me a message, Facebook, DM, your choice, and I will keep track of mine. So we'll trade and we'll keep each other motivated to get them going. So anyway, just wanted to share with you as spring comes around the corner that these are some of the items that we need to face daily in the spring. So again, this is Joann Lowe with Idaho Farm and Home Realty and in and around town Caldwell with Joann. So if you'd like more tips and tricks, just reach out to me at 208-866-2393 or joannlowknowsidaho.com. Let's chat soon. I look forward to it. Talk to you soon. Bye.